Okay, today we're gonna use what
It
you
changed the prime. I guess it's the primary fuel filter
It's a fuel filter.
for the
This
diesel.
is the new one.
Yeah.
So just remove all the clips there. So that oils look like
Diesel.
diesel.
It's fuel.
Ah, it's fuel. It's not okay. I thought it's oil.
No,
Need
the
to loosen.
oil filter's down there.
Oh, okay.
It's
Wrong info. Okay, that's not the oil filter. That's the fuel filter.
yeah, that's right. And just oh, they come off. You've got to be careful of that.
Gotta be careful. You won't drop the thing.
Yeah. That's a trap for young players.
For what?
Hey?
Trap for young players?
It's a saying, you know,
Oh,
inexperienced people like you. You haven't done it before, you know.
You're saying to me, young players?
Oh, shit. Oh,
I think you need to go further out.
yeah, these aren't the right pliers for it. Yeah. And they use that style there. And it's here, I don't know why. I don't know why. Did I tell you that? I don't know why.
The other clamp there.
Yeah, wait there. Better get these off. Oh. You get one. Oh, my back's killing me.
What's at the back?
Somewhere under there. Okay.
Okay, just remove all the nuts there.
Okay.
And on the other side there.
Yeah, okay.
And then remove
Now, like I
that.
say, all we got it. Whoops.
Oops.
I wonder. How does this come off?
See?
Yeah, but you'd think that'd unplug, you know? That's a piece of piss. Okay. Right. There it is there. With the little... Think you're clever finding that, don't you? Yeah, the other one probably would have been
Probably right. Yeah.
would have been okay, but anyway. I doubt that I'll be coming back here again. Now, right, yeah. Can you see where you put that in before?
Yeah, right there.
There it
Yep,
is.
that's that one.
Okay.
That one connecting the other one. What? Push that one back right in.
What's that, love?
This one. There you go.
It's only a low pressure one, I'd say. That's why it's only got that little...
Pump.
This one here. The one I can't get my hand into. Okay, just hop off with all the gear.
Start our engine. Nothing loose. What's happened?
Eh?
What happened?
Where?
There.
No, well, I didn't hand prod it enough. Remember I said I've got to pump it quite, but I can't get my hand in. And I was being lazy. Well, I said, the guy said, to do it electric, you've got to have a good battery because you've got to crank it a lot. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
Where's the aero start?
You're gonna put that.
The air cleaner, where the air goes. Where would you put it?
Don't drop the thing.
Can you
Starting fluid.
It's just a longer way to go down there and evaporate, so I didn't know if it would work as well. Alright, so we'll just see if there's any
That's all you gonna do there? No more?
No, that's all.